Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about HEX again. If you've been following HEX for a while, you know the reasons why it seems so great, but if not, you can check out my channel as I do have a lot of other videos on HEX. But this video is my 9 reasons on why Adoption Amplifier is the best way to get HEX compared to using an exchange or the free claim. If you want to participate in HEX, you can do it now and use my link in the description to get 10% more for free. Now for my reasons why using the Adoption Amplifier is the best way to get HEX. Reason number 1 is you get a better price. Actually, you get the best price because when you buy HEX through the Adoption Amplifier, you get more HEX per ETH than if you free claimed. If you would have free claimed 1 Bitcoin, you would have gotten 10,000 HEX. With Adoption Amplifier, you get a lot more. If you put only $1 worth of Ethereum into Adoption Amplifier, you would get more HEX than someone who free claimed 1 Bitcoin. Click on my HEX link below and scroll down and click the Go HEX link to see the HEX to ETH ratio as it's always changing. Also, if you want to enter the Adoption Amplifier multiple times and dollar cost average, it's much cheaper to do it through the AA directly compared to using an exchange. Reason number 2 is that it gives you a second chance. If you held Bitcoin in your wallet when the snapshot was taken at the beginning of December, you would have been able to free claim. You can still claim your free HEX if you haven't done it yet, but for those of you who didn't have Bitcoin in your own wallet and missed the chance to free claim, this is your second chance and it's even better than the free claim. Reason number 3 is that there are no exchange fees and the fees are a lot less. So with Adoption Amplifier, there's no exchange fees, and if you want to enter and exit the Adoption Amplifier and stake your HEX, it will only cost you about 3 cents total. But if you use an exchange, it'll cost more than that just to withdraw. Reason number 4 is that there's no KYC. When you buy HEX on an exchange, you normally have to do KYC and give away all your personal information. But with the Adoption Amplifier, there's no KYC and no AML. Reason number 5 is more privacy. You have more privacy with the Adoption Amplifier because it leaves the least information tied to you. When you free claim or use an exchange, you're either linking 2 addresses together or giving away your personal information. Reason number 6 is anonymous. You have the option to remain 100% anonymous with Tornado Cash and Tor if you really want to, but don't do anything illegal though. Reason number 7 is that there is no risk. When you buy HEX from the Adoption Amplifier, you're avoiding all risk of losing your money to a bad exchange. You can use your hardware wallet like a Ledger to enter the Adoption Amplifier so that your keys are kept safe. I would highly recommend a Ledger Nano S as it's the safest way to store your crypto. If you guys don't have one and you do want to get one, use the link down below. Reason number 8 is that it's a limited time opportunity. Adoption Amplifier is a limited time opportunity because people will have the chance to participate within the first year only, and after that the only way to get HEX will be through an exchange. Reason number 9 is that you can get 10% more HEX for free just by using my link down below in the description, and this 10% bonus multiplies with the early speed and staking bonuses. So that's it for my 9 reasons why I think Adoption Amplifier is the best way to get HEX right now. And if you guys have any other things to add, please let me know in the comments below. If you still think HEX is a scam,
No, that's a scam!
Please comment down below and let me know why, not just it's a scam because it's a scam. Like, tell me why. I really want to know why you think it is. Also, for those of you who claimed and are doing the Adoption Amplifier, I want to know how long you guys staking for. I'm really curious to know. So let me know down in the comments below how long you guys are staking for. And that's it for this video. So if you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. As you guys know, I do make a lot of crypto content. So that's mostly what I do on this channel, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!